Alright, welcome back everybody. Welcome back to what we call Learn Voice with Ease. This is Samaide, and in today's class we'll walk you through what we call market review. This is the time where we come to the market to checkmate some of our past trades, and of course it's an avenue to reevaluate yourself, and of course to know what you have done wrong in the past week and what you need to re-engineer into the new week. Most traders do not consider this, which is a more important thing in trading aspect. But testing, it helps you to identify some certain stuffs and helps you to redesign yourself and represent yourself when next you see them. Because one thing is certain in the market, the market will always repeat itself. It's just a repetition of patterns, and of course repetition of designs of patterns over and over time. So how well, how expert, how skillful you are in recognizing these patterns often and oftentimes is what will determine your success rate. So why backtesting is important is because it helps you to easily identify and of course be able to reckon with whenever you see such patterns. And this is what I want to do today, to teach you patterns and of course to make you to able to see clearly most of patterns that market point, and of course be able to what to do more better well. Last week we had some trades we threw out there. Let's check them out if some of them played out perfectly well. Oftentimes, most of our trade do usually play out, but in the rare cases, of course, you're not a master strategy of the market, and there's not 99% strategy everywhere, anywhere in the world. So sometimes market will definitely prove you wrong and shows that what I am still in control, I am the best in this game. Of course, market will definitely will just prove you wrong, even though you're showing your best and everything will just prove you wrong. So last week we were trying to buy, trying to long. With long here we make money, with long here we make money. We're hoping that it takes away this place and not trying to long and continue the long game. Let me show you where I said we're gonna be entering. I think we are targeting a possible long at this junction where market of course opens fine, of course trying to long, but immediately on a sudden I think that was doing London section. Yes, sharp, sharp so came down without news, without nothing. I was surprised, I was shocked. It took us out and crazily. In fact, we were trying to still buy at this junction, maybe. Market just keeps selling, man. That was crazy. So if we take this trade, we lost this trade actually. This was a lost trade for us. Unusual, but we have to accept our loss. That was a lost trade for us. Another one we also threw out last week was this. Let's look into it. EURUSD. Yeah, I think market was somewhere around year. I think we didn't take this trade. Yeah, we didn't take it. Market was somewhere around year. Did we take it? Did we take this trade? I was hoping for a buy, a double, a head and shoulder, but we didn't see confirmation. Yeah. So I drew a trend line at this point, hoping that this market break this trend line, they will took a buy. But we didn't take this trade. So we were able to we were safe on this trade. We were able to elude and avoid loss because of what the trend line I drawn. Now, if the market will break this trend line, then we test upon, then we can enter and put our stop loss at a very short and we're seeing something around 12 or so pips. Very easy to catch 1 to 6 or 1 to 5. That's crazy, guys. If you had played our way, that would have been a crazy win. So we are able to escape this. We didn't take this trade. Another one was GBPUSD. Let me see. I guess market was somewhere around here. Did you take this trade? Yeah, I guess we took this. Yeah, we took this. Market was somewhere around here. We entered a buy at this junction. Did you take this trade? Did you take this trade at all? I don't think. Did I take this trade? Let me check very well. Did I take this trade at all? If my stop is there, please probably I took it. Probably I was hoping to take it already. I didn't. Okay, I think we took this trade, but while we are seeing this, we took this trade. While we're seeing this what we call this liquidity accumulation here, we opted out because this accumulation means something. So if you have conversant with patterns and the candlesticks. You should know what candlesticks means. Once you see 1, 2, 3, 5 candles like this, like standing beside each other, more or less like trying to know who is taller, who is tall, who is the tallest, who is this. That is definitely a sign. I think we opted out on this trade break even and we couldn't proceed further because of this we're saying. That was on GBPUSD. I think we took GGJ as well. I think we lost this one as well because has a bit similarity with UJ. Yeah, we're hoping to buy when market broke out. I think so. I think so. I think we won this. Let me see. No, where was it? Where was it? Last week was what? Last week was June 20. Last week was June. Yeah, I think we won this. Last week was June, right? 22. Yeah, we won this. I think we won this. This played out perfectly well for us. From here, we took our entering and then this played out. Yeah, this played out perfectly well. Like the UJ, we were kicked out after a little bit of about 30 to 40 movement. We were kicked out. This one moved for like 80 to 90 pips. We were able to make something from this. This played out well. This played out well for us. That was last week. Which other trade? Which other trade we gave out you guys last week? Um, okay, I think this one. We're hoping that it seems we didn't take. I didn't take it. Take this thing. No, we didn't take this one. We didn't take. We didn't no confirmation. We're hoping to see confirmation. We didn't see any, so we didn't take this. I think we took gold. Yeah, gold. Gold made a lot of money for us. Yeah, we took gold. We took gold. I can remember very well. I think my hands was were somewhere that one year. Yeah, somewhere that one year. Yeah. This was June. Yeah, I can remember this was June 22. Yeah, good. 21 on Sunday. Good. Let me show you very clearly. I think we took this. We took this. I was telling you that was hoping that this after breakthrough of this one, we're gonna be taking. I think we took something around this. Yeah, we took this trade. We're right. So virtually, we lost. Is it? We won trades. We didn't take one. We broke even one, and we will make 1, 2. That's 1, 2. Is it two? 1, 2, 3. Okay, we won three. We break even in one. We didn't take one, and we lost one out of six. Not too fair. Not too bad. It was quite fair enough. From others, what can you rate us? Can you rate us 50% of strategy, or 60, or 40, or 80%? Out of six trades, we won three, we broke even one, we lost one, and we didn't take one. We avoided loss from one. What will you call that, guys? Let me know in the comment section what you can call that kind of accuracy, what kind of percentage you can give to our strategy. Is it 50%? Is it average? Is it above average or below average? Let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and of course you can join us on Telegram for more videos and educations like this. Bye for now, guys. I wish you a positive week ahead. Bye for now. Peace out. Cheers.